Detoxifying teas for the kidneys and their benefits. Avocado tea. Benefits: helps eliminate toxins from the kidneys. Horsetail tea. Benefits: contributes to kidney detoxification and has diuretic properties. Detoxifying tea. Benefits: promotes the elimination of toxins from the body and assists in weight loss. Parsley tea. Benefits: helps cleanse the kidneys and has diuretic properties. Grape tea. Benefits: contributes to kidney health and has antioxidant properties. Kidney cleansing tea. Benefits: helps in natural kidney cleansing and waste elimination. Lemon, orange, and melon juice tea. Benefits: stimulates the elimination of toxins and promotes renal hydration. Hawthorn Leaf Tea. Benefits: contributes to kidney and cardiovascular health. Hibiscus tea. Benefits: has diuretic and antioxidant properties. Seaweed tea. Benefits: helps detoxify the kidneys and provides essential nutrients.